What's going on, guys? Welcome. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're gonna start working on the EVO. We're gonna start disassembling the car. We're gonna jack it up right now, remove the bumper, start removing headlights, radiators, and I'll show you guys step by step on how to remove everything. So I was not able to get the jack under the car because the car is low. So what I did is grab some wood and I'm gonna push it forward on both front. Hopefully that'll be enough to get that jack under there. So I got the car in the air and put some jack stands, one over here, one on the other side. Now we're gonna do is remove the front two wheels so we can get access to these bolts up here. And we have two bolts on the bottom, one bolt on each side, and then we got two bolts up here. That will remove the front bumper. So let's get started. Remove these lug nuts. I do want to change these to black ones or maybe purple ones to match the Brembos. So we got, most cars have two bolts up here. So this has a 10mm up here. Alright, this side is free. I'm gonna leave these two bolts last so the bumper doesn't fall on me. So going under the car, we got two bolts that are 12mm. They're right here. There's one over here. Take that one out. And then there's one over here. So there you go, guys. The bumper is removed, and it looked like that I had an oil leak and I did not even notice. So we have to see where that was coming from. Anyway, we're gonna reseal the whole engine, so it doesn't really matter. So next we're gonna remove the headlights. We got one bolt over here, that one I didn't put on, and then we got one over here and one over here. Same thing on this side. One here, one there, and one over here. So let's get those two headlights out. So I disconnected that pipe over there, disconnected the upper pipe, and now we're gonna remove the two bolts on the bottom for the intercooler, and then it should just come out. There we go. It's a very nice setup. I like it. So I removed this radiator pipe to drain the coolant. So next we're gonna move into this one. Just press it, simple as this, and just twist and pull. Oh, here we go. Next we got two connection for the fans. All you have to do is just press it, pull. Next one, same thing, press, push. Time to lift this. Empty what I have left. Alright, do we have a hole in the block? I think we're good, at least for now. Let's not jinx ourselves. Next, I'll be removing the coolant pipe, this one. It should be a 12 over here, and just a clamp one over there. But just let it drain for now. Let's remove the catch can lines. I know I do have the tool for the AN lines, but I don't have it with me right now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We did get a lot of work done. The whole front end is ripped apart. Yeah, I have a lot of cleaning to do. I gotta put all this stuff away, and I have to somehow close the hood, make sure it's closed, doesn't fly out. And yeah, the oil does have a lot of glitter in it, and it's so shiny. And I don't know why my phone doesn't want to turn on the flashlight. I think it's because it overheat. It's because we have such a hot weather today. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.